अपनी कंसाइज स्टेटमेंट में भी जमा करवाया है कि वेयर
So we've seen now the two documents. These are the two documents.
अगर मैं एक डॉक्यूमेंट और दिखा दूं इस पे,
जी, because he's arguing. जी.
Concise statement of the Election Commission, CMA 5840 of 2024, at page 75. CMA 5840 of 2024. At page 75 onwards, the Election Commission in their concise statement have also taken the position that all these independents are no longer independents, they are part of the Sunni Ittihad Council.
Page?
Page 75, sir.
So for the purpose of 63A2, they are parliamentary party.
Part 2.
सर मैं उस हद तक इलेक्शन कमीशन की हद तक तो नहीं जाऊंगा.
वैसे आप क्या कह रहे थे, वो पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी है या नहीं?
They are parliamentary party even in those terms, although that question is not here. What the Attorney General is saying is a very different position. He is saying that the election.
But Mr. Attorney General, these documents open perhaps a new chain of thought, because what is the position of the Election Commission to see whether someone is or is not a member of a political party or an independent? That, I think, ends when the assembly takes over, and then it becomes a matter for, because that is really post election, right? Election Commission is only interested with elections. So if the Election Commission is saying that our record is showing that these people are Sunni, what is the name of this? Sunni Ittihad Council. That surely is a point in time prior to that, right? And from the Constitution, the only time prior to that is paragraph D. So if in Election Commission is saying, because anything that happens within the House, we are told no one can look at that, least of all the Election Commission. That's for the Secretariat, Speaker and other people to decide. So the Election Commission is now saying, according to this record that has been shown to us, that as per our record, these are people who are Sunni Ittihad Council and members of that. Surely, insofar as Election Commission is concerned, is relatable only to paragraph D. Because anything that happens once the House is constituted, that's for Secretariat and Speaker to look at. So is not the Election Commission contradicting itself now when it says that for purpose of paragraph D, we will not recognize SIC to be a political party?
My Lord, the document which was just shown, the right-hand column says party affiliation. It does not say candidates or nominees of the party.
No, but who are they? Who is the Election Commission, and at what stage is it able to say this is the party affiliation of person X or returned candidate X, and this is showing that he is an independent?
So it's section 66. What happens under section 66?
I will join with my distinguished colleague. Suppose that in that list they make a mistake. They show some very prominent person of Muslim League being in the PPP. What difference does it make? I'm not bound by it. I mean, the person, what it turns on it?
As long as that's the position ECB is taking, what's the position of your position on these notifications? I mean, they're valid. What is
would you even categorize them as notifications? Because a letter written to a deputy registrar or some section officer, I don't know, whatever is written it's not even tabled as a notification or something, a pursuant to issued under some act. So that person may have got it all wrong. I don't know. Muddled
Official
up.
communication by the election. No, but there's an official communication, with all due respect,
Let me
by the Election Commission saying, you see, the Election Commission turns around yesterday and says, well, on the BAP thing, we did something wrong, we don't know. and conveniently here they do a flip-flop and a somersault.
Let me respond to it.
कितनी दफा हम उनके ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड को देखें फॉर इलेक्शन कमीशन टू से नहीं जी ये तो हमने बस ऐसी हवा में उड़ा दिया.
Let me respond to this, sir.
ये कोई बात है?
Let me
एक तरफ नहीं ना मिस्टर अटॉर्नी जनरल, एक तरफ हमें बताया जा रहा है इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ से हम आईनी इदारा है जो हम चाहे करें जो हम करें सब सही है सब दुरुस्त है. दूसरी तरफ से उनका रिकॉर्ड है उसमें जो चीज वो कर नहीं सकते apparently. तो आप बताइए ना ये कोई किसी अखबार इश्तेहार तो नहीं कर रहे ना. ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन है टू द नेशनल असेंबली फॉर गॉड सेक.
इसको इस तरह
किस पॉइंट पे उन्होंने ये कहा कि हमारे रिकॉर्ड में एसआईसी एंड फॉर व्हाट पर्पस हमारे रिकॉर्ड में एसआईसी के ये मेंबरान हैं? Seems to me the only answer is paragraph D.
मैं इसको
आप
respond
इसके इसमें ऐड कर देते हैं. आप ये बता दें कि किस कानून के तहत ये जो 2 लेटर्स इन्होंने दिखाए हैं सिद्दीकी साहब, ये किस कानून के तहत उन्होंने जारी किए हैं?
ये
किस आइन के किस प्रोविजन के तहत जारी?
आपको पहले let me just explain first. According to my understanding,
You can also take the easy way out and say, ask the election commission of
that I will,
Pakistan.
but just because I have made, no, obviously it is for them to defend
Attorney
this.
General
What is
here
your
to
position
assist
on
us
it?
on
But I'm just going to assist you
What is
on
your
the 3
position?
stages. Yes.
What is your position?
Yes.
Does it have, first of all, does it have a legal significance? Answer that question.
These notifications or these letters or the notifications will have no bearing as far as 63A2 is concerned. That is my submission. Because for the purpose of 63A2, you would look towards the political party, the members of that political party, and see whether they were the candidates or nominees of that political party in the elections or not. Now, the first stage, among the 3 stages, this is the stage which is past 5160.
आप इसीलिए पूछ रहे हैं ना.
I'm working backwards.
देखिए लॉजिकली अगर इसको देखा जाए तो एक्चुअली दिस शुड बी अ कम्युनिकेशन फ्रॉम नेशनल असेंबली सेक्रेटेरिएट टू इलेक्शन कमीशन कि जी अब हाउस कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हो गया, लोग बैठ गए, हम आपको बता रहे हैं हमारे हाउस में X is political party A, Z is political party B, on and on and on and on. But no, this is the election commission telling them that this is what our record says.
Let me
Their
explain
record,
this.
no, their
Legal
record,
position.
अरे सुन तो लेना, their record has to be maintained for some purpose. It is not a purposeless, meaningless exercise. So before the constitution of the house, the only purpose is apparently.
मैं कुछ अर्ज करूं वो इकबाल ने कहा था बांगेदरा में कि माना कि तेरी दीद के काबिल नहीं हूं मैं, तू मेरा शौक देख मेरा इंतजार देख.
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल है. You are highly competent.
आप जरा जल्दी करें.
3 steps, sir. First is the certificate when it is issued by a political party approving, nominating a person as its candidate. It is first is that stage, which is when filed with RO. This is the candidate which determines, this is a certificate which determines which political party the returned candidate will belong to or belongs to. The second step is when an independent joins a political party under proviso to sub-rule 6 of Rule 96, it is that stage which is happening under the proviso to paragraph D, when the election commission will enter in its record whether it has joined a political party or not. Now, it is this stage which will determine whether that political party is going to get the benefit of addition of these independents to its tally for the purpose of reserved seats.